Hello students, now we'll be discussing into topic symbol. What is mean by symbol? We need to understand. Let me define it. Symbol is an abstract entity that we shall not define formally. There is no formal definition for symbol, just like as a point and line are not defined in geometry. And letters and digits are examples of frequently used symbols. So what is mean by symbol? It is there is no formal definition like you understand. Suppose if I take English letters, so A, B, C up to Z, or I can use A, B, C up to Z, or you can use a symbol and symbol or dollar or greater than, less than. You can make it any symbol. You can use it as a like anything like these are symbols only we'll call, and we also call these letters or digits. You can use digit 0 1 2 3 up to 9. Either you can use it digits, you can use these symbols, you can use it this alphabets. So it is English alphabet, ma'am. I should not confuse here. Whichever I mentioned, this English alphabet we can call a symbol. Symbol is an abstract entity that we shall not define formally, just like a point and line in geometry. And letters or digits can be used as a symbols. This is simple definition for symbol. Now we'll see immediately definition for alphabet. What is mean by alphabet? We will understand. It is not our English alphabets here. Now alphabet definition, observe all of you. A non-empty finite set of symbols. Non-empty finite set of symbols is called an alphabet, and it is denoted by sigma. Please do understand. Sigma denoting as alphabet. What is alphabet? It is set of finite set of symbols. It is completely non-empty. There must be at least one symbol. Let's say sigma as 0, and I'm using alphabet as a 0 only one symbol I used. I can use sigma as like 0 comma 1 I'm using. So I can use symbol as 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3. All digits I'm using as is alphabet. So this all 0 to 9 are symbols are used as an alphabet. What is the alphabet? I told you, non-empty finite set of symbols. See this set only, right? Non-empty set, finite set of symbols. How many symbols are used? 10 symbols, 0 to 9. Or you can use it sigma. If I take sigma as A comma B, I can use it. Or sigma I can use capital A comma B comma C, I can use it D, A B C D. So I can use symbol as a like alphabet as a dollar comma like and comma dollar. Yes, this is also alphabet. This is also alphabet. This alphabet. Alphabet is a set. Now please do understand. Alphabet is a set, non-empty set. Non-empty set. At least one symbol should be there. Now this, by using this alphabet, we can form a string. Such a collection of string, nothing but language only, right? So just like English. First in English, what we do, we'll define first alphabet. With alphabet, we are forming the words, and with the words, we are forming sentences or paragraphs. Will form, correct or not? That is a language. Here also for symbols, we use the symbols for forming alphabet. Alphabets are used to form the strings, like that will happen. We'll observe. You can use any kind of alphabet. Suppose if I take Telugu language, like like this. This is also one symbol. This is also alphabet. So two symbols are used as an alphabet. So I hope you are getting the definition for symbol. Now we'll be looking into definition for string.